MFM and Funke Asekun's fight má tẹ̀rí sí ni sẹ́ tó bá tẹ̀rí síbi tó ti máa bá rẹ òní láìkí ẹ̀ má tẹ̀rí sí ni òun ló kó bá the other lady tó dárúkọ tèmi náà dẹ̀ ní dárúkọ òun ló kó bá. That is what has caused that what she's going through. Is she the one that has problem with them? No. That's not awareness. Personal vendetta is different from awareness. Is Olukoya the only pastor doing bad in Nigeria? Redeem. Masu redeem. Carry normal society. $100,000. $300,000. Ló máa fún MFM. Ní America, not Nigeria. Follow him. Bí ṣe wá dọ̀tà Rotimi ní kẹ́ bá mi lọ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. All because I advise him to be very careful. Kó má kó sí wàhálà. The same wahala I don't want him to enter. Kọ́lá àwọn kan wọ̀n sìn. One is to pay $375,000. Wọ́n bá ta ilé ẹ̀ṣọ́ pé $375,000. And she has to pay it either she likes it or not. What is putting on my neck now? Ipa wọn kan, wọ́n bóun jà, wọ́n ṣe kinní kan. How that one take consign me? Ẹ̀yin lẹ́mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́jọ́ jẹ́. Na sabi wetin I dey chop together. Wọ́n ní ẹ ṣe t-shirt, ẹ ń ṣe fàájà. Kí n tèmi pẹ̀lú yẹn kí lẹ̀ ń fàájà. Na question I dey ask. O lọ ṣe t-shirt. Lórí pa àṣẹ liberation. What's my business with that one? Wọ́n lẹ̀ ń fàájà. Ṣé ẹ ti fàájà àwọn èèyàn lọ sí church mu?
Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV. Ẹ máa gbọ́ ẹ máa wò ó. Ẹ subscribe síbẹ̀, ẹ like ẹ̀. Bó bá ṣe ń lọ, àwa ò ní jákẹ́tì yín ó di sí o. Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV. Àgbàlẹ́tù ọmọdé làwọ̀.
Fún ọ̀rọ̀ kan ló ń wáyé láàrin gbajúgbajà àwọn asọ̀rọ̀ lórí ayélujára mẹ́rin kan. Ìyẹn láàrin Rotimi Awikoko Daniel pẹ̀lú Aunty Adunni pẹ̀lú Maureen Ìbádéjọ. Ẹ ò bá gbàgbé, Maureen Ìbádéjọ ni ó ti fìgbà kan wá sórí ayélujára tí ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Olúalọ́ tó tún jáde sọ̀rọ̀ nípa DK Olúkọ̀yà àti Apostle Suleiman nígbà náà tó ń sọ onírúurú ọ̀rọ̀ nípa wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣá o láìpẹ́ yìí la gbọ́ pé nígbà tí Maureen wá sórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà òun náà ni iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà rọ́wọ́tò tí wọ́n sì ní kó lọ rọ́kúnlé. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣá o tá a gbọ́ láìpẹ́ yìí pé ó ti ráàánú gbà lójú ìjọba. Òun náà la tún wá gbọ́ pé arábìnrin kan tórúkọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ Funke Asekun ẹni tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ nípa MFM nípa Dr. DK Olúkọ̀yà. Ó ní àwọn àṣemọ́sí tó pọ̀ ń wáyé nínú ìjọ yìí níbi tí ó ti fohùn ṣakin tó ti sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀ onírúurú show ló ṣe fún DK Olúkọ̀yà àti MFM nígbà náà inú èyí tí ilé ẹjọ́ tó wà l'Amẹ́ríkà tí wọ́n ti ṣe ìdájọ́ kan fún un nígbà náà wípé lọ́sàn òbítíbitì owó ìyẹn $130,000 òun náà ni wọ́n wá sọ wípé Aunty Adunni tó yẹ kó dá sí kíní ọ̀hún kò dá sí inú èyí tí Rotimi Daniel ti wá jáde wípé èèyàn tí à ń pè l'Aunty Adunni yìí wípé ọ̀dàlẹ̀ l'Aunty Adunni wípé kò bá wọn dá sí kíní ọ̀hún Aunty Adunni ti wá jáde gbayagbaya wípé ó ń sọ fún wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ pàápàá Rotimi Daniel wípé tó bá ti ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú MFM àti Dr. DK Olúkọ̀yà wípé òun kì í bá ní dá sí o wà ní pé gbogbo ohun tí èèyàn bá máa ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ báyà franca ni o àbí tí ì bá jẹ́ lórí social media pé onítọ̀hún gbọ́dọ̀ ní àwọn ẹ̀rí tó dájú ó ní ẹni tó ń jẹ́ Funke Asekun yìí bí ó kọ́kọ́ wá sórí platform òun gbà náà láti lo platform òun láti sọ̀rọ̀ kàṣàṣe DK Olúkọ̀yà pẹ̀lú MFM nínú èyí tó ti sọ wípé òun ò gbà láàyè nítorí pé ó mọ tí kinní ọ̀hún ó já sí ó ní níṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ló kú lọ́dọ̀ òun tó lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ Rotimi Daniel Awikoko èyí tó gbà lálejò ó ní nígbà náà lòun wá sọ fún Rotimi Daniel wípé wọ́n gba Funke Asekun láàyè yóò kó bá ọ ní o jẹ́ kó lọ lo platform ara rẹ̀ kí fi tako DK Olúkọ̀yà nígbà náà inú èyí tí ó ti sọ wípé Rotimi Daniel wá sọ wípé èèyàn burúkú lòun àti pẹ̀lú wípé òun ò bá wọn dá sí kinní ọ̀hún wípé òun dáàrin méjì ọ̀nà lòun padà Ọlọ́run sọ fún wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ wípé irú kinní yìí wọn ò lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kan jẹ́ lọ nítorí pé ká tó di pé adásírò ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí àbí ká tó di pé èèyàn máa ba àyàn lórúkọ jẹ́ ẹni ọ̀hún gbọ́dọ̀ ní àwọn ẹ̀rí tó dájú èyí ní tó lè fi ṣègbè nílé ẹjọ́ ó ní ẹ̀rí tó wà lọ́wọ́ Funke Asekun nínú èyí tó ń rí ẹ̀rí ọ̀hún ò tó láti gba Funke Asekun sílẹ̀ nínú èyí tá a gbọ́ pé ilé ẹjọ́ Amẹ́ríkà ó ní kó san òbítíbitì owó nítorí pé ó bà ìjọ MFM lórúkọ jẹ́ àti olùdarí ìjọ ọ̀hún ìyẹn DK Olúkọ̀yà ẹ wo wíníwíní ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ sì gbọ́ wíníwíní ní ìkànnì yìí nínú èyí tí àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ fàǹfà tí wọ́n jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ lórí atẹ́gùn mẹ́rin ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ tí wọ́n ti ń fara wọn ní fàǹfà ìyẹn Rotimi Awikoko àti Aunty Adunni pẹ̀lú Funke Asekun àti Maureen Ìbádéjọ ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀hún pọ̀ oníròyìn lèmi ò mélòó lèmi ò sọ ń bẹ̀ ẹ wàá gbọ́rọ̀ ọ̀hún lẹ́nu wọn bí wọ́n ṣe ṣàwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí tọ̀ bájágbà àkọ́kọ́ lẹ́yìn wò wá lẹ́yìn tí olólùfẹ́ wa tẹ́lẹ̀ rí ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ò tí ì tẹ subscribe button síbẹ̀ àwa ń bẹ̀ yín ni ẹ bá wa tẹ̀ sójú ẹ̀ ẹ bá wa dọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ káwa náà ó sì bá yín dọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ ẹ wá mọ́ gbàgbé o láti jago pélébé kan tí ń bẹ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ èyí tí ó máa rán yín létí nígbàkúgbà tá a bá ti wà lórí ètò ẹ wò kíní ọ̀hún lágbára pọ̀ àwọn ògbóǹtarìgì sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́rin ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ òun náà ni wọ́n ń gbá kíní ọ̀hún sáàrin ara wọn o ọ̀rọ̀ tó lágbára pọ̀ ni kí l'Aunty Adunni sọ ipò wo l'Aunty Adunni wà ipò wo òun náà ni Rotimi Daniel wà ipò wo ni Funke Asekun wà ipò wo òun náà ni Maureen Ìbádéjọ wà ẹ wo kùdìgbẹ́ ó ṣẹlẹ̀ lénìí nǹkan gbé nǹkan àánú pọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀.
Olualo, they brought Olualo's case for you. You saw how you stood in the gap without knowing that Olualo's wife ran away. Ni. You were talking as if you live inside Olualo's house. That is what me I will not do with anybody. If they have a case against me, they will have come to me and sue me here in America the way they sue Funke. But they don't have a case against me. I won't stop saying it. I know I could handle it better. That was why I was warning you. That was why I was protecting you. I said, be very careful. Funke, I don't know the fight she's fighting. Don't let her come and use your platform. Don't let her come and use you. I said it, and I stand by it. Yes, I said it. Mo ti sọ fún Funke pé yes, but when she confronted me, I said yes, I said so. Wọ́n sọ fún mo ní yes, I did. Only did you at any time told wrote me to be careful of me? Mo ní yes, I did. I said you should not meddle on the issue of MFM. Mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé sọ fún ẹ pé monetization ọ̀rọ̀ MFM nìkan ló mówó wá ni? Ṣé mo sọ̀rọ̀ MFM pẹ̀lú owó tí mo rí? Mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ MFM. Kí ni mo fẹ́ sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ MFM? Did I go to their church? Do I truly know what is going on? Anybody that something is happening, let them bring their face out. Following bí ṣe wá dọ̀tà rotí mi ní kẹ́ bá mi lọ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, all because I advise him to be very careful. Kó má kó sí wàhálà. The same wahala I don't want him to enter. Kọ́ làwọn kan wọ̀n sìn. One is to pay $375,000. Wọ́n bá ta ilé ẹ̀ ṣó pé $375,000. And she has to pay it either she likes it or not. The other one, we all know what is happening to her in Nigeria. This is what I was protecting Rotimi from. I said, Rotimi, be very careful. Don't meddle in this case. So, okay, my brother, let him continue. My left one answer.
Woman blogger is saying, my own motive is different from any other person's motive. That is why I do my one-man battalion. It is not pride. When I tried to bring in some people to be with me, you saw what happened. They came because of...
When you were to do your one-man battalion, remember you came to me when you were to open your page. I'm not taking credit for it. I've opened page for a lot of people. Èmi kọ́ ni mo ń ṣiṣẹ́. You are the one that called me on that particular day. When you gave me no ni mo pè é. Advice ni mo fún ẹ. It's good. Èmi gan one-man battalion. That's what I'm doing on social media. When I've seen that a lot of people will put you into trouble. I've said it countless times that I don't have alliance with any blogger. I've said it, I've written it. I don't want to. Because I say that motive is different. Intentions are different. Okay? Motives are different. And social media. And I moved away. I said I'm on my own, no, anybody real. And I'm repeating it too. Again, I want him. May we never meet each other again. Láyé. And you are being your pastors are better than them. I am take it from me. The pastors they are fighting are far, far better than them. Oh yeah.
Some of you there are saying jargons that you do not know. Okay? So, I now went back to Funke Asheku. Meanwhile, in 2021, there is an Igbo brother of mine, Raphael. He already shared some things with me that I have. Some of you have seen it. But they were not just enough for me to post on, for me to work on. So, well, let me let it slide. I'm a big money, I can pay go. So when Funke Asheku will send me the evidences she had, I just quickly jumped to conclusion that it is what I had before, since 2021, that she sent to me. I was like, there should be new people, there should be people that will be willing to speak. So I was using wisdom to go with things. So, this woman blogger who started running her mouth all over social media against this fight and all this.
Social media. Are you not running mouth? Are you not running mouth? Mo run ni ẹni Terry sọ̀rọ̀ MFM ton ba bi ere. Terry see be doing what Funke is doing tó bá ní gba lawsuit ní Canada tó wà. Olukoya doesn't need to come to America to fight his fight. $375,000 ló wà lọ́rùn Funke tó ń pariwo. Ó yá máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ. Òpònú ló pè mí àbí.
It was less than 2 weeks. I saw that Funke Asheku was on a platform.
Because Funke Asheku is always roaming about. She's a roamer. Ṣé mo pé? You saw Funke on my platform because Funke will not let me rest. She wants to be using my platform to sell her propaganda. Ó mọ iye ìgbà tí ma rí call ẹ̀ tí mi ò ní gbé. Ó ń lo fẹ́ máa lo propaganda. Mi ò pé sórí show mi. Mo ń ṣe show mi jẹ́jẹ́ ló wá bá mi. Tó bá jẹ́ yẹn ló ń dùn ẹ̀. And because mo ti rí one-on-one. Bóyá before that or after then. Lórí ẹjọ́ máa mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ni ma. Ẹjọ́ máa. So kí ni kí n ṣe at that point? Wọ́n lé mi ni mo lọ gbé wá ni. Did I ask her to come? She's a Roma. I've told you. Torí ẹni wọn ni mo ṣe pé. That was why I called you. And I know even if she comes to me, I could handle it better than you. Because èmi tí mo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ máa fọgbọ́n gbé. And on that particular day, I used wisdom when she came to my page to come and speak. She was begging Joma, I need to speak. ẹjọ́ máa, and I said okay, do you want to come outside? She said yes. Mo dẹ̀ gbé síta, mo ṣe show lọ́wọ́, she came and I said okay, we are listening. Ọjọ́ yẹn, some people called in, wọ́n ní kó sọ̀kọ́, they should say what went wrong between her and Olukoya. The fight with Olukoya is not ordinary. Did you see me speak for Funke? I didn't speak for Funke. Èèyàn kò ní sápamọ́ síbí kan. How will I know if they ask somebody to come and lie to get me? And I will say, oh yeah, tell me the story. Oh yeah, give me evidence. I will obey evidence raw. The kind of evidence they gave to Funke. Nikki Funke said evidence it on Funwa. Let her show you the evidences she's carrying about like a moron. Mobu. Let her bring it and show it to you. She said she's educated. Òun náà joyè Omotosho lawyer. Sorry, apologies to Nnamdi Kanu follow. I'm not referring to me. I'm sorry, I'm using that slogan. Ogbe lawyer olóhùn náà ti di lawyer. Kò ṣe lọ win ní case. Kò ṣe lọ win ní case. You said you are learned. Somebody gave you a video of women on the floor. You are not seeing any other person with them. You now show me a toe. You say that is the toe of Olukoya. How will I know that is Olukoya's toe? Moroni toe Olukoya rini. How will you want to convince the judge that that is Olukoya's toes? Question imobere. Those are the evidences Funke is running with. Oya gbohun sókè, Aunty blogger, Aunty Adunni blogger. Proudly, mi ò jalè. Oya.
On my page to push out whatever she was pushing. That she was not ready to share all the evidences that if something happens, what evidence you use, blah, blah, blah. So I said that there is sense in what this...
Share you know, Tigo. Only mo sọ wípé I'm not ready to share some things, which was true. Until now, ẹrù wà ní ọwọ́ mi. Tí mo fi sá sẹ́yìn, ipa kò bá àdàbàdélé Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ àrè. You said, I told you that I'm protecting you. Òun lẹ tún gbọ́ yẹn. I was actually protecting you. I was actually trying to make sure you should be careful. That this fight, you can't fight, it's none of your business. MFM and Funke Asekun's fight. Má tẹrí sí ni sẹ́. Tó bá tẹrí síbi tó ti máa bá rẹ ò ní láìkí ẹ̀. Má tẹrí sí ni. Òun ló kó bá the other lady. Tó dárúkọ tèmi náà dẹ̀ ní dárúkọ. Òun ló kó bá. That is what has caused that what she's going through. Is she the one that has problem with them? No. Èèyàn lẹ́kọ́ bá yẹn marriage ẹ ti dàrú. Ó wà lẹ́wọ̀n lẹ́yìn tí marriage tún dàrú. Lórí wípé use ẹ̀. Òun ó wà bí tó ti ń sunkún lọ́wọ́. Ó wà ní prison. Ó wà kirikiri níbi tó ti ń sunkún. Marriage ẹ̀ náà tún dàrú. Tíyàwó ti sá lọ pé wàhálà yìí ti pọ̀ jù. Nígbà tí tó jẹ́ kó kọ́kọ́ use òun. Ó wà bí tó wà. Èmi lọ dé àbí. Even if they carry news to Sahara reporter will carry the information. The Sahara will carry the information, carry it once or twice. Wọ́n á dẹ̀ máa lọ. Èwo ni àtẹ̀bàtì. Èwo la sọ́sọ́ sọ́tán. Èwo lẹjọ́ wẹ́wẹ́ all the time. Olukoya Pharaoh is this, Pharaoh is that. Ṣọmọdé tẹ́ bá ṣe kó tọwọ́ bọ̀yàn nídìí. Ṣọ́gbà ọmọ kéékèèké ló tọwọ́ bọ̀dì kí làwọn náà ń bá ká. Kí ló sọnù lọ́wọ́ wọn? Question ni mo béèrè. How many times wọ́n bá ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan wàá fọ́ta gbé wàá sá lọ? Tó wá dológun kó ń tọwọ́ bọ̀ wọ́n di gbogbo ìgbà. Question ni mo ń béèrè o. Na question I dey ask.
Money and ulterior motives not came for fame. You all have seen it. And because they could not get these things, they decided to spread propaganda about me. That some of you, I see somebody screen recorded this. I saw comment.
I am not on TikTok. I don't know who is spreading propaganda about him. All I know is that Timbani mi ò gbọ́rọ̀ ni mo pa, mi ò mọ̀rọ̀ pa ntèmi. If I say he doesn't have problem on social media, on TikTok, I am lying. Somebody called me because people know him through me. I was the one that told people, me follow àbúrò mi, Roti mi. So somebody called me, say, Aunty, bàbúrò yín, you know, help your brother talk about Oluwalo ni. I say, I will not talk about Oluwalo. Oluwalo is, I don't know who is Oluwalo. They say he's a pastor. Is your brother and Oluwalo, they are fighting. Help us to put man. They say the man, he using wife, he take and do juju. I say, how can I put mouth in something I'm not sure of? How do you know? Say he using wife, do juju. They can't send me some clips. I now went on social media to go and check. After checking the thing, I now told the player, I say, this thing is a family issue. I hope this guy will stop talking about this thing. They said, Aunty, I said, we don't talk again. That person was shocked. I said, I don't know what I did. He blocked me, you know. And there was another woman too that came sometimes and will go to report him to me. I can't even remember what the woman said he did. I said, Ma Binu ejo. If you know you can't cope, block him so that you can have your peace. I said, that's the best way. So the person that now came to me now said, later they now told me, he and some people, he kept, I want to call the WhatsApp group where you go come here. Sheka ló ń bá mi rìn, màá ti sọ fún má ṣàdá WhatsApp group lẹ̀ o. I would have told him don't start any WhatsApp group o. They say he started WhatsApp group. Kí ni tèmi pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin yín? You are doing liberation. You are talking to people. Ẹ ṣọ́ra pẹ̀lú pastor o. Wọ́n bá gbé owó yín, wọ́n gbàgbé o. Wọ́n bá ṣe kíní o. You don't go to church 7 times a week o. Go only on Sunday o. And if you think your church you are going is not good, if you can stop. We are liberating. You don't have to go to church. Káyé ẹ̀ tó dá. You don't have to believe in all of this pastor. Kí wá ló ṣe wá di ológun pàǹṣẹ t-shirt? Question ni mo béèrè. Everything ni mo ń gbọ́. Everything. Why do you have to have a WhatsApp group fún kíni? Kí lẹ fi WhatsApp group ṣe? Èmi yìí, I go to Facebook before you. Mi ò ní WhatsApp group. Gbogbo yín lẹ ń dá WhatsApp group sílẹ̀. Kí lẹ fi WhatsApp group ṣe? O dẹ̀ ló dá dúró. If you stand alone, what are you doing with WhatsApp group? Ìwọ àtàwọn WhatsApp group ẹ wá jà. Ẹ jẹ́ kí ní consent lára àgbẹ̀ fídíò yẹn sí mi. Mo pray pé ẹni yẹn ò tí sùn. What is putting on my neck now? Ipa wọn kan, wọ́n ń bóhun jà, wọ́n ń ṣe kinní kan. How that one take consign me? Ẹ̀yin lẹ́mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́jọ́ jẹ́. Na sabi wetin na dey chop together. Wọ́n ní ẹ ṣe t-shirt, ẹ ń ṣe fàájà. Kí n tèmi pẹ̀lú yẹn kí lẹ̀ ń fàájà? Na question I dey ask. O lọ ṣe t-shirt lórí pàǹṣẹ liberation. What's my business with that one? Wọ́n lẹ̀ ń fàájà. Ṣé ẹ ti fàájà àwọn èèyàn lọ sí church mọ́? Mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni o. No, they now say they started fighting each other in that group. To the extent they are now alleging each other of doing juju. Mo ní juju báwo? Mo ní that's a lie. Mo ní yẹn ni mi ní gbà. Kò sí mo gbọ́ tó kí ló ń lọ lórí social media téyàn ò ní gbọ́. Àfi téyàn bá ṣe báyìí pé ọ̀rọ̀ gèlè má wo bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò wé. Kí n tèmi pẹ̀lú yẹn. Why European ìgbé kí ló pọ̀ ẹ̀mí pẹ̀lú yẹn? Yes, I called you about Funke. Yes, I own up to that 100%. I say be very careful. The fight she's fighting is a personal vendetta. Now, gbogbo àwọn tó ń jà fún tó ń use tó fẹ́ lò as witness majority wọn gan ti ń rí. Ẹni sùn ọ̀rọ̀ ń bọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ò tí ì dé. Ọ̀rọ̀ ń bọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ò tí ì dé. Kó lọ jàjẹ́ pẹ̀lú Olúkọ̀yà kó lọ dájà. Ó gbọ́ pé mo dá WhatsApp group lẹ̀ kó yá o. Ó yẹ ìdáwó o. Ìyẹn àfẹ́sọ̀ wẹ́ṣẹ̀ kinní kan o. À ń lọ síbi kinní kan o. Débi pé màá gbẹ́sẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ màá ní mo lọ ń investigate ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó kàn mí lórí awareness. Ẹni sùn mo ti ní mo ń bọ̀ máa get àwọn videos yẹn fún yín lọ́la kò tí ì tẹ. Èmi ni mo ní kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ jà lórí WhatsApp group ẹni. Nǹkan tó dà yín pọ̀ ẹ̀yìn máa sọ síta. Tẹ́ fi jà ní WhatsApp group yín. That's not awareness. Personal vendetta is different from awareness. Is Olukoya the only pastor doing bad in Nigeria? You have told your own experience whatever he did to you. You say he's doing some things to other people. Let them bring their mouth. Tọ́ bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ ni wọ́n sọ́tọ́ kọ́ máa lọ. You pick some other topic kẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ń pẹ́. Òun lẹ ṣe kó sí trouble. That was what I was warning you about. Sí mo dọ̀tá ilé ni. And I'm glad you show who you are. Kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú ẹ? Mo gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ nàbí mo mú ẹ rí? Mo mú ẹ rí? Ṣé mo gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ pé mo fẹ́ fi jẹun? Àbí mo fẹ́ fi sanwó ilé? Àgbo pọ́ pé mo dá WhatsApp group ńlẹ̀ tán ti ń dáwó. Èmi Adunni Adé. Láyé, èmi ò sí ibi ìdọ̀tí. Mi ò dẹ̀ ń sí ibi ẹ̀gbin. Ibi ọ̀wọ̀ náà ti ń bọ̀wọ̀. I do my show, I talk on anything. Tó dẹ̀ máa ní crowd tó máa wò. Tí n bá drop video tó jẹ́ 200 tí n bá máa fi ṣe tán tó bá máa di jọ́ kejì àwọ̀ 20,000 kí ni mo tún bá ká? Mi ò níṣẹ́ tí mò ń jẹ ni. Èmi ti ṣiṣẹ́ débi pé mi ò ní ìdá ti sá kiri wọn. Mo ti ṣe iṣẹ́ mi débẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ ti ṣe gọ̀lọ̀tọ̀ wọ́n ti ga jù mí lọ wọ́n ti níṣẹ́ gidi. Eré kí ni mò ń sá? At this stage, màá sáré social media, màá sáré monetization, màá ní ó yá bring evidence. Wọ́n wá gbé evidence. They now gave her a video of women moaning, doing house. Tí ó bá jẹ́ pé òwò ọkùnrin mi lò fíńgà wọn kọ́, tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn fúnra wọn náà lo rọ́bà fi fíńgà ara wọn, ìyẹn ni kémi gbé dání as evidence and go and show at the court say he's doing tikarodi. This is the video of the tikarodi. Oh no, ìyẹn ni kémi gbé kiri as evidence. Ìyẹn lẹ fẹ́ gbélé mi lọ́wọ́ as evidence. Ṣé evidence tán gbélé ẹ lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn tó rò pé Fúnkẹ́ sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀? Wo báwọn ṣe rú ẹ̀ wá bára ẹni tí ò ti da. Àánú ẹ̀ ò ṣe mí. Ó jẹ́ máa wá fídíò tó kàn rẹ́ẹ̀nì kó máa fi sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ tiẹ̀ kó máa lọ kó máa tiẹ̀ sí wàhálà tiwọn. Advice tí mo fún ẹni ẹ̀ torí mi àzọ̀ta. Mo sọ fún Fúnkẹ́ tó confront mo ní yes I said so. Ṣé evidence nìyẹn? Evidence ni oh no, ouch, oh no. Ta ni mo mọ̀ tó tọ́ bọ̀ wọ́n dì í níbi tó wà? Is that one I will go and present in court? Ṣé bó gbé dé kóòtù on lè dànù? Fúnra ẹ̀ ló fẹ́ nu ẹ̀ sọ. Ó ná kóòtù lé òun dànù. Ó ní kóòtù nírú evidence ìwèrèwé lòun gbé wáyìí. At the end of the day wọ́n slam ẹni $300,000. $300,000 ló máa fún MFM ní America not Nigeria. Èmi ò ń ṣe òpònú sẹ̀, èèyàn kan ò dẹ̀ lo lórí mi. Nobody will use my head. I am not an illiterate. I am not a dullard. I know what is within my scope of what I do as blogger. Oh no, ni kẹ́ ń gbé dání. Oh no, Even the people that sent message to her, they said you can't want slam any lawsuit again. Say, I don't send you message to bring my show out. What is keeping Richard in the jail today? Because she brought out Richard's conversation at the court. Richard, the one they want this gashing soy. Baboni Baba to Lomo. That guy has been through so much. Me Mokoto Tuwa, see Aurora Law after they release her. To go JJ and Waka go JJ. He went to go and start doing evidence weary. Ó launch evidence ofu. Ó wà lẹ́wọ̀n sin. Ó wà lẹ́wọ̀n. Please take sentiment out of this thing. Law is law. Put sentiment aside. And if you think Emi ò sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa, you yourself ten wo mi ten comment and you only commenter is sọnù. You wicked commenters that push bloggers into trouble. Ẹ gbójú yín jáde, ẹ wá fi sọ̀rọ̀. And if you say I'm afraid, yes, I'm afraid. You know why? If you have something precious in your hands, you will be afraid to get into trouble. I have too many things I've worked for in my life to get to the stage I am. It is not at the time I'm supposed to do like this. Kí n ṣe báyìí, èmi ni Ọlọ́run ṣe yìí fún. It is not at that time. Èmi á wá kó sínú ibi tí ó yẹ kí n lọ. Màá máa náwó tí ó yẹ kí n ná sínú ẹjọ́. Ẹ̀yin lẹ máa rógun ẹjọ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ń wá wàhálà fún mi. Orí jẹ́jẹ́ mi mo jókòó. Tí bá ní mi bá ń ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ kó ṣì yín lọ ni. Èwo lẹjọ́ òfò. Èwo ni àǹtí vlogger. Ẹ̀yàn kéńkéńké vlogger. Aunty slam any, you yourself, they've slammed you in Canada with lawsuits. Awon slam any lawsuits in Canada, even in Nigeria, won't do there.
To use my platform to talk about anybody. So, because I am a man, I don't have time for too much talk. On my TikTok, because the same person when we were talking now, how do you people make money on TikTok? I don't make money on TikTok. I don't know how they monetize. Canada is not even monetized on TikTok. Blah, 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 blah. Because it's all about money to them. And all of you are on their pages. So when she told me 2 weeks after I saw Funke Ashekun on the line, I'm like, is this not the same woman that told me not to allow Funke Ashekun to use my platform to hear her opinion? So on TikTok, on Facebook, everywhere, on my WhatsApp, I blocked her off. I cannot be doing this and still be dealing with two-face. People who today...
Looking out for your brother, looking out for somebody you think you are of like mind, because that was what I thought. Saying, I said be very careful. Because I said be very careful, also mean you two-faced. No, I'm not two-faced. I'm four-faced. You know, see me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four-faced in one low. 4. It's because I'm using four-faced. Lori mi ṣe pé mo ríran dáadáa. It's because I'm four-faced. Ni mi ṣe get into trouble. Orúkọ Sule ń jáwó. If they want to bring case, to levy 1 million, 3 million. If they bring case, you will tell them, their name cannot bring money. Orúkọ wọn ò jáwó. Ẹni tí mo bá gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kó tó official lórí page mi kó sọ. Àwọn kan jọ́ tẹ̀yìn táwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ wọn rò. Ẹni tọ́rọ̀ bá wá jọ tiẹ̀ ní kó wá dáhùn. Èyí tó ń levy. Orúkọ yín ò jáwó. Orúkọ yín ò lè jáwó. 3 million, 2 million. Na those ones you dey trust. Àwọn yẹn ni kémi trust. Tí gbogbo àṣírí yẹn ti bọ́ sí mi lọ́wọ́. Àwọn yẹn ni kémi trust. How am I sure the story they are bringing now? Shebi they said they have evidence. Call up, present evidence in the court. Àti wọ́n wèrè ẹlẹ́nu bọ̀ọ̀kú bí ìdí àgbàdo. Tóní alábòsí ni mí, wàláhì alábòsí ni mí. Ṣe bọ́ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ ni. Ó dẹ̀ ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì kó gba Nàìjíríà lọ kó lọ bá gbé placard. Ẹ fẹ́ kéku.
And I was like, wow. So this woman thinks I am looking for fame or money like they are doing on social media. Is that why she came to me and said I should never allow Funke Ashekun?
Rotimi dá padà. Àwa ti tó ilé tán kí social media tó dé. Ó kí ló gbọ́? Mo ti tó ilé tán kí social media ti tó dé. Èmi ti jẹ́ èèyàn before social media. Ó gbọ́ tán ni. Ó gbọ́ story ni. Ọmọdé ò bàbá tán abárọ̀ bá dẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ bàbá ìtàn. Ọmọ ọdún tèmi tí mo ti ń wọ̀lú, tí mo ti ń jáde, tí mo ti ń ka millions. Dá padà. Àwọn wo náà wá coins in social media. I'm doing this for passion and nothing more. I didn't even know when I came they pay for it. And if social media decides to pay me, do you see me putting account number down? Do you see me raising funds? Do you see me asking for any help? Do you see me asking people to contribute for me? Have you ever seen me do that? Dá padà, ẹ̀yin lẹ ń dá account number, lẹ ń dá WhatsApp group, lẹ tẹ́ fi ń dáwó. Orí mi kí n dáwó, kàn dáwó fún mi rí. Tẹ́ bá pè mí lálábòsí ni mí torí mi ò bá yín ṣe. Mi ò bá yín hùwà ìkà. Mi ò bá yín hùwà ẹni torí ẹ ò pé. Mi ò bá yín hùwà ẹni tó máa kó sínú wàhálà. Alábòsí ni mí. Ẹ ń ṣe family mi. Mi ò mọ̀ yín rí, ẹ ń ṣọ̀rẹ́ mi. I can't be loyal to people I don't know because they set me up. Orí social media láti pàdé. Ìwà wọ yín mọ́ra. Kẹ́ set me up. I only try to protect and say be very careful. What else did I do? Mo gbowó lọ́wọ́ àbí mo ní kó lọ jalè wá. I'm asking you. Ṣé mo gbowó lọ́wọ́ àbí mo ní kó lọ jalè wá? Lórí social media, mo ní no. Protect yourself. Jọ̀ọ́ ni mo ti ṣe. I'm asking. Níbo lẹ ṣe kí lẹ ṣe mi for telling you to be very careful so you don't get into trouble. Kí ni ẹ ṣe mi? Kí lẹ ṣe mi? Question tí mo béèrè nìyẹn. Other than I said, be very careful of these people. I said the evidences they have is not sustainable in court in case anything happens. Tó bá gbé mi lọ court nsìn. Tó tabájọ́ àtọ̀ wípé bóyá Nigeria jẹ́ oppression country. Tó lè lo oppression when it's a normal court setting. Wallahi, wọn kò sí no pastor can say they will win me in court. I stand on that. In a normal setting, in a same country. But they turn to a same country. They want them in America. They want them in UK. That should set your brain straight. That you are going to a very dangerous terrain. Le wa ko mi sí wàhálà. I went to read about me ò lọ sí school, but I went to the school of how to learn about blogging. I check it tani oh gosh. I check it on social media. Ọkọ mi báwo. Tabo, wá bá mi bu omi jò. O ṣe. Mo check here. How do you get into trouble if you do blogging? Getting into trouble, the cup is there, is when you defame and you don't have evidence. Put it, orange in moving. I'll be serious. Rinse it. Okay. You know, when you talk something, you know, say BBC said, then they sue BBC. Even though I'm not suing individual, they are suing BBC. Millions of dollars. If you say something, do you have evidence? The people coming with story, let them come and use their mouth. You can see Car Truth. Car Truth now has a document. Níbi tó lédè, ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Níbi tó lédè, Car Truth has a document. And say, if you are coming, you have to sign. Oto sọ̀rọ̀. Not that you will come and talk, and tomorrow you will run to case ibade. Those are the things me ti kọ́ about this job. Tí mo fi wò wípé, I will not put my mouth. Say orúkọ Sile ń jáwó, wọ́n fẹ́ kí n ṣe. Kí ló kọ́ mi pẹ̀lú orúkọ Sile ń jáwó? Ṣé Sule orúkọ Sule ń jáwó ni kí n dúró dè? Orúkọ Sule ń jáwó wọ́n pa àwọn ọmọ 6. Wọ́n pè èèyàn 7. Orúkọ Sule ń jáwó wọ́n tẹnumọ́. Téèyàn fi kó sínú wàhálà. Kí wá ń tèmi? Nígbà tó ń pariwo tó ń fa wàhálà ẹ̀yin ò gbọdọ̀ sọ pé tó. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ close friend, that you are close friend. You cannot say enough now, it's okay. Ẹ wá lé mi ò lóyà. Kí ló kàn mí àti wà lóyà? Kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú loyalty? What is my own with loyalty to you? I know you ni. You don't know what loyalty is. You don't dare loyal to people who don't know you or you don't know. How can I trust people? Don't support orúkọ Sule ń jáwó. Go and trust them. Kí n kó sí wàhálà. Wọ́n wá tì mí pa. Eléyìí ò dá kankan, this one no sabi anything. Ó yá gbà. Ṣebí they gave me some things to be talking about me ò dáhùn ni. They will forwarded a lot of things. Ó yá, talk about this one. Sọ̀rọ̀ ń pẹ́ ni, wọ́n ní mo busy. I don't forget. Bí ṣe yẹ nìyẹn. They will now send another one. And tell you, this one, I just collected it from so person. Oh yeah, go and talk about it. You see me come and talk, me. Go and check my page. And I see on social media, I go carry. Go and check it. The only one that is not on social media that I talk about is the church I went to. And if it's in a normal society, I go sue them for damages. I go sue them as they traumatize me, as they collect church where we put our money into. Then I go sue them. Redeem. Ma sue redeem. Carry normal society. Ma sue one. People want to go wa bere church. We use our money to start church. After my husband died, they say make I dey go. They say I don't have a right to the place. They will come and tell me whether we did. Now then start the church. We go court. Shall they know they win your pastors for other churches and other country where they collect church from them? You people think say all of us we are in the same class because we are on social media or because I dey do like a mama and grandma. I'm a grandma if to say my children born on time, so I have to mind my. I have to behave. Ẹ̀yin lẹ máa farúgbó orí lẹ máa fi ṣẹ̀wọ̀n. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá rò ìmọ̀ràn mi tó rò pé mi ò lóyà kí n lè lọ sẹ́wọ̀n. Ẹ fẹ́ kí n lọ sẹ́wọ̀n kí n tó show loyalty. I am not loyal. I don't want to be loyal now by force. Is it by force to be loyal? I'm still talking about pastor till today. I still talk about pastor which day? Which pastor ni mo ìsọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀gbẹ̀yìn? Ẹ jẹ́ n wo show pastor tí mo ṣe. Èmi yìí máa sọ̀rọ̀ pastor lọ. Wàláì mo yìí máa sọ lọ. Mo sọ̀rọ̀ Temu pastor ní ìjẹta 3 days ago. Mo sọ̀rọ̀ Temu pastor. Mo sọ̀rọ̀ pastor George Ritabi 5 days ago àbí 4 days ago. I still dey talk about pastor. I talk about covenant which day? I still dey talk about pastor. Wetin I see on social media I go carry. I want to talk on Ibiyomi. I go do that one tomorrow. I no go fit talk after this one again. Mi ò bá yín ṣẹ̀wọ̀n. Mi ò dẹ̀ bá yín lówó ẹjọ́. Kíyẹn ló ti wá kí wá ló fàjà. Adunni talk. Ẹni tó ní mo talk fún. I said yes I talk. Aboni mi ò deny ni. I didn't deny. Aunty Adunni. Yes. I spoke with Rotimi Daniels. Okay. Did you at any time tell Rotimi Daniels to talk to me? Not to do. I say yes. I say Rotimi should be careful with MFM issue. Ohun lẹ́gbọ́n yẹn. Ohun ni mo tún repeat yẹn. Yes, publicly. Mo sọ. Mo sọ ni because I thought I was talking to a brother. We were very careful o. Ọ̀rọ̀ blogging yìí, ó ń gbéyàn lọ sẹ́wọ̀n o. Ó ń ba ayé èèyàn jẹ́ o. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣiṣẹ́ fún ó lè lọ lójú kan o. Tó bá ṣọ́ra o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí lẹ ṣẹ̀ mí. That was 5 years ago. Then you mentioned, you saw what she said. He said 5 years ago. For you to know that, I know what I've been doing since. I know what I've been doing. If they can sue me, they will have come here to sue me too. Even if though I'm going to win, they will have tried. You see, nobody is. They're only waiting for me in Nigeria to use power. Like they carry seeking. Seeking, they live seeking now. Seeking, they there. No, a lot of people are talking about pastors on Nigeria. They are talking about them. Now one guy, they carry pong pong, they knock them on the head. He did Nigeria. Eric Kongbe. Àwọn wọlé sọ̀dẹ̀ kí ló ní Rosie mi kí lẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ mi ó sọ ọjọ́ kalẹ̀ ń ṣe òrẹ́jọ́ rò torí mo advice ẹ ni mo ṣe dèèyàn burúkú tó bá gbọ́ advice mi ni the case you have with Oluwalo you won't have it because if I was close to you I would have advised you and said Rotimi I would have told you that Oluwalo's case is a family issue you don't meddle into such. From what I can see, the husband and wife are fighting. Not the one that will be doing show 8 hours. Torórúkọ Sule Njawo torí mi bá yín ṣe yẹn. Because I didn't do that for you. Maybe you should go and ask. Ẹni tó help lọ sí UK. Why are they fighting today? Taba tú pẹpẹ yẹn wẹ̀ sá lọ. The young man came to comment on my page. He said we are fighting. I can never pray for her. His curses I will be giving her. Mo ní kí ló dé? Ọmọ yẹn tẹnu bọ̀rọ̀. Ó tẹnu bọ̀rọ̀ with some evidences. But of course, agbẹjọ́ ẹnìkan dátọ̀ àgbà òṣìkà. I don't know what transpired between of them and I don't have intention of coming out to talk of it. But ẹ bá yẹ dárúkọ mi sọ̀rọ̀ tí ó kàn mí pé àbòsí ni mi orí yín burú. Báwo mo ṣe jẹ́ lábòsí? Ṣé ẹ jẹ́ family mi ni? Are you my siblings? Tí ma fi sọ pé free lágbájá o free lágbájá. Tá bá tún sọ free lágbájá tu ọjọ́ tá sọ when I say free lágbájá, lábòsí ni mo ṣe. Mo na now comot my mouth when dem free am. Wetin concern me? Ẹ tún lábòsí ni mi. Èwo lẹ fẹ́ gangan? Talk about her, don't talk about her. Don't talk about her, talk about her. Èwo lẹ fẹ́? Mo dẹ̀ ti yọwọ́ pátápátá. Èmi ò ṣọ̀dẹ̀ o. Èmi ò ṣọ̀dẹ̀, èmi kọ́ lẹ máa tì sínú kànga. Yóò kànga sí kànga, pé kànga wọ́n ti jù sí kànga. Ẹ wá máa lọ, máa jó lọ mò ń wẹ̀ yẹn. Máa jó lọ mò ń wẹ̀ yín yẹn. Ọmọ aráyé, máa jó lọ wọ́n ń wẹ̀ yín yẹn. Àwọn kọ́mẹ́ntà yìí sọnù, máa jó lọ wọ́n ń wẹ̀ yín yẹn. Àwọn oníkọ́mẹ́ǹtì máa jó yọ wọ́n ń wẹ̀ yín yẹn. Tán bá ti yẹ dénú kànga, wọ́n á tún fi bú ẹ o. Máa jó lọ wọ́n ń wẹ̀ yín yẹn. Àwọn ìka dédé. Àti kọ́mẹ́ntà àtàwọn ń jáwó dédé. Èmi lẹ fẹ́ tì sínú wàhálà. Ẹ wá rí pé mi ò sínú wàhálà ó tún bí yín nú. Adunni freedom is sweet. Ẹ bá fẹ́ kú ẹ lọ kú. She never confided in me other than what I'm seeing on social media that she wants to drag me into. And I stepped back because I saw her for who she is. She wants to have a church. She wants to start a church too. It's not working. She already had some fight. You want to ask her, this same Funke Ashekun tó ń jà fún. You want to ask her why she left a church 3 times. She was going and coming, 3 times. You want to go and ask her. You want to go and ask her what they said about her. Wípé my man once lived with this man for years. Jẹ́ kán yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ wọn, gbé ẹnu ẹ kúrò ńbẹ̀ kò kún ẹ. O tó bẹ́ẹ̀ láti tẹ́rí sí. Tó bá dé tó bẹ́ẹ̀, ìwọ bọ́ síta, kó máa sọ̀rọ̀ wípé Pharaoh, má pè Pharaoh mi ṣe pé o, pé lórúkọ ẹ̀ gangan. Olúkọ̀yà get in here. Kí wọ́n náà máa wá sọ wípé wọ́n ló ti káròdì. Right ní evidence. Ya make sure pé òun sneak ìwọ Naija ni. Tó bá dé ká wọn lára, wọ́n wá ká ẹ mọ́ Canada. Wọ́n ṣe wá ká òun náà mọ́ America. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Wọ́n wá ká ẹ mọ́ America. Ẹ Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kémi gbé gbàgbára. Èmi ò ní jọyè Bambiala lórí social media. Àṣírí ààbò Bambiala, ẹ fún wa lówó ẹjọ́ Bambiala. Àṣírí ààbò Bambiala, ẹ fún wa lówó Bambiala. Ká fi fight pastor èmi ò ní bá yín ṣe yẹn. Lórí pa àṣẹ liberation at awareness, kí ló lè tó yẹn? There are without even mentioning any pastor, there are ways you can do a lot of topics. I think I did that of recent. Tí mo ṣe, I did a video of recent where I did a video and I spoke about a particular topic. Let me see. Where I still related it to pastors and churches. I did it less than a week or 2 weeks ago. If I can see it. You know, I did it few days ago too. Stop losing yourself. Respect is part of it. I eventually related it to it. Faith is no. Okay, faith, that was a pastor that spoke there. That was Pastor Yinka. Less than 2 weeks ago, I spoke about him. Ṣé rí pé mi yín sọ̀rọ̀ pastor lọ, mo sọ̀rọ̀ Tolú Odùkọ̀yọ̀ of recent tán fẹjọ́ ẹ̀sùn mi tí mo dẹ̀ ní Tolú báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ orí kí n túbọ̀ ta padà kí n máa sọ Tolú come here wàá Tolú come here hell no mo ti sọ nǹkan tí máa sọ mo ti move on ìwọ̀ntúnwọ̀nsì lèèyàn ṣe nǹkan. There are so many of it tó yẹ pé mo ti ṣe irú ẹ̀. I didn't mention pastor but everything still boils down to going to church and dealing with pastors. Okay, this is another one. Nigerian pastors doing too much. You know, so many tí mo máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mi ní forúkọ pastor kankan sí. There are so many ways you can do like, is it liberation or you are fighting a personal fight? Fighting a personal fight is different from. Then these people that you want me to fight for, can I ask you, when I came out to talk about Redeem, I spoke about my experience. Did they ever carry my video to talk about it? No. Despite the fact that I came with my face to speak. We told him, we personal vendetta no fight. You want to go and ask Ikwara, why they have to go and meet Sile? That Sile should come and pay certain amounts. That is extortion. Tó bá ra mọ́tò fáwọn kan, tó gbowó, ta ló máa gbowó fún, ṣe báwo ló máa gbowó fún? The same thing, tọ́lẹ́yàn kan ṣe, wọ́n gbowó fún yẹn gbogbo owó jíṣẹ́, tí wàhálà fi ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ get ara here, Rotimi, ó jẹ́ má gbà kú oníkúkú. Àfi tó bá láyé nìkan ló máa tẹ́rí sí. Má gbà kú oníkúkú, jẹ́ kí Funke lọ sọ́ọ̀tà rẹ̀ mo tútù sọ. Funke lè máa wò mí sìn. Kó lọ sọ́ọ̀tà rẹ̀ ìkà ní má jẹ́ ó tiẹ̀. Òun ló ti lédi yẹn débi tó dé, ó pẹ̀lú àwọn tó ti débi tó dé lénìí. Òun ló ti kejì ẹ̀. Torí wọ́n jọ wà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, wọ́n ṣèwé, àwọn méjèèjì náà ṣèwé lórí ẹ̀ lórí pé and create awareness àti liberation. Wọ́n ṣèwé tó wọ́n tún dákẹ́. Wọ́n láwọn evidence. Okay, evidence yẹn kọ́ lọ show ẹ̀ ní court. Unfortunately, ìjà ka wọ́n Nàìjíríà. Tíjà bá ka wọ́n America, wọ́n á máa lọ court, wọ́n á máa dé nínú kò sẹ́ni tó máa tì mọ́lé. That's the only angle tí mo ti rí everything ti wrong nìyẹn. But do they have right to sue her? Yes, they do. Either her alleges must have evidence to back it up. And I remember the last time before the court case started, before this Wahala started, I said, don't use my platform what you are trying to say because you can't verify this. I was doing my show on that day. And you started, I said, no, don't mention his name. Especially for this kind of sensitive issue. We never knew this was going to come up. And I responded, I said, yes, I said you should be very careful in getting involved with MFM issue and should apply wisdom so it doesn't get into trouble. But where you want be? Yes. When I said you should not get into trouble. All right? And I told her there and there, I said, you never support my channel. I am not a baby not to know what support is. Rather, you use my platform when you are need amplifying of your issue. Let me see when one of you join hands with me on RCCG issues. I said, I stand alone and made it clear. I have no affiliation with anyone or with any blogger. After I saw what was going on, it doesn't mean I have anything against you. I'm only protecting myself. Mo protect ara mi ni. Mo mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, mo mọ nǹkan tí mo ń gbọ́, mo dẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tí mo rí. Mo ṣe no, irọ́ àkóbá gáfárà. Àkóbá àdàbà bàbíyà ńlá, Ọlọ́run máa jàrí bàbíyà ńlá, ogun ẹ̀wọ̀n bàbíyà ńlá, Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́rìí. Ìran mi ò ṣẹ̀wọ̀n mi rí kọ́ ni máa kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ní at the age of 60. Have evidence. You are calling somebody's name. Ìtò ò bá korúkọ wọn is a different thing. Tó kàn code wọn, kò wá allege wọn pé nǹkan báyìí la gbọ́ o. Àwọn go lè wá bẹ́ẹ̀ wípé ó dárúkọ wọn, then you have to bring out evidence tó bá ní concerning them. Tó sọ pé wọ́n ṣe yẹn. Wọ́n pààyàn, wọ́n rí ọmọ mọ́lẹ̀, wọ́n rí ọmọ wọn kíní kan, wọ́n ṣe kíní kan sí kíní kan. Ṣó wà ń bẹ̀? Tó dáwọn kan wá sọ. Ó jẹ́ má kọjá àyè ẹ. Oní kí Funke kó. Èmi láwọn fún Funke, I told her pé mi ni yes, I said it. Wọ́n sọ fún kò lè sọ pé mi ò sọ fún òun now. Because I learned this video was yesterday. Funke will have told you pé mo sọ fún òun àbí kò jábọ̀ fún ẹ. I told her, I said yes, I did. And I said it's to protect him from what is going on now. But unfortunately, he saw me as a bad person. Mo sọ fún Funke, that was what I told her. Yeah, mo ti bá yìí message yẹn. Tí n bá tí clear phone mi. Because phone mi yìí máa ń ṣòṣì. Ń bọ̀ o. Màá kà sí tàbí ṣe sọ. Oh shoot, mo lọ ṣe mistake pé. Sorry, that was a mistake. I didn't mean to call you. Aha. Mistake, ẹ jẹ́ sáré sọ pé mistake ọwọ́ mi lọ tẹ play. Lè sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ láyé. Ó ní mákàlùkù máa lọ kó wàhálà yín síwájú. Mi ò lẹ́mi wàhálà. All right, this is what I told her when she came. She said, only just getting to know that you want Rotimi Daniel to stay away from me. Rotimi and I were friends and suddenly started ignoring my messages and spoke against me on his show. I was bewildered. I never knew you were the one that poisoned his mind against me. I've always meant well for you and supported your platform with full force. Oh, support it for me. You never supported my platform. You used my platform and I corrected that instantly. Okay? Supporting somebody's platform is sharing somebody's video, always there and all of that. But if you always come, láti wá lo platform to speak your mind. All the times you called on my show was to speak about Olukoya. Ó yá gbóhùn sókè, ṣó ti parí àbòkùn.
was the person that told me
The person
not to allow you.
Èmi ni.
With wisdom, you already know who that person is.
Èmi ni. It's me.
I won't say much because I already promised somebody close to my heart not to mention name.
I'm the one immediately mention orúkọ tí.
Then this anti-blogger
Ó ṣeun. Ó ṣe. I am the one. Èmi ti mention mo dẹ̀ gbé feature ẹ sí. Mo dẹ̀ confirm pé mi ni. I am the one. Reason tí mo dẹ̀ ṣe nìyẹn. Ìwọ náà dẹ̀ ti rí bó ṣe unfold. Tó bá wá rò wípé o lẹ́mìí ẹ̀ o lè jàjà yẹn. Ìjà tó lè jà ni ó ṣojú ẹ̀ kòrò. O ní evidence. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni kán gbẹ́jọ́ wá. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni evidence. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni kò ní evidence. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni káwọn tán gbẹ́jọ́ wá. Kán ready àti dúró pé yes àwọn làwọn gbélé ẹ lọ́wọ́. Ṣó ti yé ẹ? Bọ́rọ̀ ẹjọ́ ṣe ń lọ nìyẹn. Sentiment ò dẹ̀ bẹ́jọ́. A ní di ẹrù ẹlẹ́rù sórí ká fatiwa dání. Ṣé wọ́n pé wọ́n yìí young? Ìwọ lè tẹ́rí sí ọmọkùnrin dẹ̀ ní ẹ́. Ọkùnrin máa ń pọ̀ lẹ́wọ̀n. Ìwọ náà lè lọ join ìwọ̀n tó bá ń wù ẹ́. Ní ló máa rógun ẹ̀wọ̀n. But as ọmọkùnrin tó láyà. O lè táyà. Èmi àyà gbogbo òjò báyìí lọ. Sórí mi. Ṣáńkó lọmọ. Ṣáńkó Rashidi tí ń bá dúró gbogbo ara mi. Àǹtí Bọ́lá ń jọ́ rí mi wọ́n fọ̀ mí báyìí ni. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń bá rí mi wọ́n máa ń gbé mi. Àǹtí Àdùnní ẹ̀jù báyìí lọ. Wọ́n máa gbé mi sọ́wọ́. Rockabye baby. Mommy is near. Mama is a lady and that's very fair. Wọ́n ṣe máa ń gbé mi nìyẹn. Àǹtí Bọ́lá wà ń bí. Wọ́n fọ̀ mí jọ ìmúná àǹtí Bọ́lá èmi mà lẹ́gbẹ́ wọn ní Àǹtí Àdùnní mi ní gbé yín kẹ̀. Ẹ̀jù báyìí lọ. Ṣáńkó lọmọ wọ́n dẹ̀ fọ̀ mí. Mi ò jù báyìí lọ. Ẹ̀wọ̀n ò dá fẹ́ni tó kéré. Ẹ̀wọ̀n ò dá fẹ́ni mélòó ni mí. Irú ẹ̀yin ló dá fún ẹgbáyà sí. Irú mi ni kí n lọ tẹ̀rí bútọ́. And if you say I'm afraid, I am very afraid. Mo ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀. You know why I'm afraid? I have my children here. I will not do what will cause my children pain. I will not. Àwọn ọmọ mi, they don't have papa. I'm the only one. Kí n wá tún lọ sí ẹ̀wọ̀n kan má rí mi. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ mọ̀ ṣe wà yẹn. In a day wọn lè má gbóhùn mi. Tán bá lọ bí iṣẹ́ wọn tún text message. Mommy, are you okay? Bí iṣẹ́ ń ṣe iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ tí àti rí. Àwọn méjì náà ti wọlé wá. Are you fine? I'm fine. So wọ́n ṣe wà yẹn. Wọ́n ṣe jádọ̀tì yẹn. Àwọn kan ìyá wọn kan ni. Mi gbọ́dọ̀ fi wọ́n lẹ̀. Ẹni ẹlẹ́yin ò ní gbà ṣe mi ṣe. Èmi ò ní sínú àwọn olórí burúkú tí wọ́n ń dáwọ́ ẹjọ́. We are there for the children. The children are fine. Àwọn ìkà. A tún ní kó bẹ̀bẹ̀ ká ṣe ká bẹ̀bẹ̀. Initially tọ́rọ̀ yìí bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo lè mi ready àti bọ́ta. Ká bẹ̀ wọ́n ká kó gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tá sọ jẹ́. Ẹ lálábòsí ni mí. Mo ní I'm ready tó bá yẹ ká bẹ̀bẹ̀. All of you were here. Mo ní if we have to beg on this case, mo ní I'm ready. Ká ṣe fídíò. Wọ́n ní alábòsí. Ránṣẹ́. Who told you the children are fine? Wọ́n fine dáadáa. Àwọn tèmi ò ní fine tán bá rí mi. My own will not be fine if they don't see me. Yes, they are full grown adults. But ibi tó love ya wọn dé. Ibi tó love mi dé. Epa. Èdè ò lè go by kán má gbóhùn mi. Ibi tó love mi dé nìyẹn. So ẹ má bínú. Èmi ò ń jàjà tí mi ò mọ̀ díẹ̀. Mi ò dẹ̀ ń gbẹ́rù ẹlẹ́rù sórí kí n fa tèmi dání. They didn't teach me like that. Màjàmásá náà fi kọ́ èmi náà máa kíkanjú lógun. Akíkanjú tó bá mọ̀jà tí ó máa sá. Kí náà sọ pé ó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn. Wọ́n máa ń bógun lọ ni. Èmi Àdùnní Adé òde wà ní bógun lọ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Àsìkò tó bá yẹ kí n lọ ní lọ. Mi ì ní gbẹ́rù ẹlẹ́rù. Ẹni tí mo ṣe nǹkan fáwá wà. A ṣe falala. Kò ní dá fọwọ́ burúkú tí gbogbo yín fẹ́ dá fún mi. Ẹni tó bá lòun máa rẹ́dí àti dáwó fún mi kí n ṣẹjọ́. Òun ni òní ní sinmi ilé ayé ẹ̀. Òun lẹ́gbọ́ yẹn. Tó bá ṣe show gbà mí tí mo rí wípé show yẹn kankan ṣẹlẹ̀, màá pè àbúrò change the topic. Change the title of that your video. Something is wrong. Ìmí máa sọ fún pé nǹkan báyìí. Èmi náà mo máa ń delete video. Ó yá lọ delete nǹkan kan ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn. Má yẹ kó gba page jẹ́. Má yẹ kó gba channel ẹ̀ jẹ́. That's how I look out for her. Abiyamọ ni èmi, mi ò ṣèkà. Owó wo ni mo fẹ́ rí lórí social media this age tí máa ka conscience mi. Owó wo mo fẹ́ rí lórí social media this age tí máa ṣe rádaràda. Owó wo mo fẹ́ rí èmi ò greedy. Mi ò dẹ̀ ní plan àti nílé síbí sọ̀hún that many of you are chasing. Wàláhì ẹyọ kan tí mo ní àtẹyọ kan tó wà Nàìjíríà ò ti tó mi. Ẹ sùn sínú yàrá yín ẹ máa dáwó ẹ máa ti àwọn èèyàn gọ́gọ́. Right there we are with you. Girl, we are supporting you. Ẹ rò pé gbogbo comment yín èmi ò fi orí pípé ṣe ni. Ńgbà bá kúrò tán máa ní ẹ máa gbá wọn ọ̀kà. Ẹ jẹ́ ń pe àbúrò mi kí n sọ nǹkan tá máa ń discuss bá ṣe show tán. Àwọn sùn mo ti pé kò gbé kọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ń filẹ̀. The day I called her, mo ní àbúrò tí bá ti ṣe show tán, àwa pè máa lò máa gbọ́. A ní àǹtí alákòóbá ni gbogbo wọn mìíràn. Èmi náà mọ̀ pé wọ́n náà rí bẹ́ẹ̀. The same thing I told you was what I told Aproko. The same thing ni mo sọ fún Aproko. Aproko video tún ṣe dáadáa ju video ẹ lọ now. Bí o ṣe ìfikíní lórí YouTube, she's doing very well. How many ìfikíní lórí subscribers? Wọ́n pe Aproko jókòó ńgbà tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀. Bó ṣe advice lèmi náà pé jókòó mo nábùrò. Bye. Èmi ni mo ní ká Aproko bẹ̀rẹ̀ blogging. Èmi tí n bá wo contribution on my show, màá ní kó má lọ. I told her, I said bro, wọ́n náà lọ sí page ẹ. Go and open your page. Aunty báwo go ahead. O ṣó ní YouTube channel olóhùn ni. O ní YouTube name account olóhùn ni ó yá. Let's do it. Pa rẹ̀ ti ṣe. Ó yá. A send materials ni màá send materials sí. Tabari nǹkan nípa pastor àjọ discuss ẹ̀. Màá send sí mi. N bá ma sọ bí mo yí pé léyà àná àbíjọ òun náà bro má ṣe show you particular show kan mo pè. Mo ní don't do that show. kò ṣe wá sọ wípé mi fẹ́ kóhun make owó. She knows I love her. She knows I'm looking out for her. Just like I loved you from the beginning. And I was looking out for you. I said, don't do this show. Madam, Richard has been a free man for so long, doing his things. Ohun rẹ̀ now, tó máa lọ sí show, tó máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Tó bá mọ̀ ni, kí tiẹ̀ tí lórúkọ máa yẹn Richard kí ló ń jẹ́ ná? Ayọ̀túndé or something, yeah, Ayọ̀túndé. Má gbàgbé orúkọ máa yẹn. Bọ̀bọ́ yìí ti ń ṣe dáadáa now. His last post was March 2nd. Àtìgbà yẹn náà ti gbé. Going to 2 months. Why? Because he was ẹni tó yẹ kó ti free, tó yẹ kó máa lọ jẹ́jẹ́. Fọlọ́run ti yọ òun nínú wàhálà. Whatever went wrong with him, and after kóun náà fight personal vendetta. Because tí o bá ń ṣe personal vendetta, o ti sọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ, o ti sọ ní social media, àwọn ti bẹ́ẹ̀ dá sí, o ti apologize at a point, o ra máa lọ tiẹ̀ jẹ́jẹ́. Tó bá tiẹ̀ wá gbé story ẹ̀ fún blogger, wisdom lèèyàn ń lò. Irú nǹkan báyìí ló ń jẹ́ kí majority wá sọ̀rọ̀ fa blogger mu. Because when bloggers don't know when to draw the line, they don't know how to fight the fight. Okay, people can bring their story so as not to even jeopardize their lives. Now you have put them in trouble. A young boy, it took us to raise money on this my page, live any problem to rescue that boy.
Yoruba Parako TV, ẹ máa gbọ́ ẹ máa wò ó, ẹ subscribe síbẹ̀, ẹ like ẹ, bó bá ṣe ń lọ àwa ò ní jẹ́ kétí yín ó di sí o. Yoruba Parako TV, àgbàlẹ́tù ọmọdé làwọ̀.